Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials on any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Oh, okay, fine. So yeah, let's talk about this Terraform. So I'll just give you the clarity. Okay, so this is the syllabus of Terraform Associate exam. In future, you wanted to do the exam. Let's focus on these
Okay.
all topics. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah, yeah.
you will get the complete clarity. Okay, how you are managing. Frankly speaking, we are not covering the full topics. Okay, which is available for the exam perspective. We are preparing for the I can say industrial perspective. Okay,
Okay.
so yeah, that is the big difference between the exam and industrial. Both have a lot
Yes.
of difference. And whenever I'm teaching the industrial basis. And then whenever student can move ahead on the exam topics, they will get a clarity, better clarity, I can say.
Yes, actually, what the way I'm slowly getting the hang of what you are teaching now.
Mhm.
Previously, it was I was unable to seriously. I could not get a hang of anything you taught.
Wow. Okay.
Now, slowly, I'm getting. Slowly, I am coping up. That is.
Okay. Fantastic. Yeah. So, as I explained, if you wanted to check out the providers which we are mentioning, okay, that details
Yes.
available over here. Terraform state file available, which I have explained. Terraform settings are available. Provisioners are available. Ignore
One
this
minute.
all.
Yes, one second. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Provider, Terraform state, Terraform settings, provisioning infrastructure deploy with Terraform. These three document you can just walk through. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, master of workflow. The core Terraform workflow consists writing the configuration, initializing needed plugins, and that planning infrastructure changes, then applying. Okay. So these all are the commands: initialization, validation, plan, apply, and when destroy. Okay. Destroy means delete the infrastructure which we have deployed. Okay. Destroy it, decommission it. We
Oh,
can talk. Okay. So these details
okay.
you can get over here. Okay, already I have explained why validate, why init, why plan, why apply, right? So that
Yeah.
you will get over here. Okay, make sense?
Okay. Yeah, sure, sure, sure.
Yeah.
And okay.
Yeah, tell me.
No issues. So today, what I thought was, can we look into that? Okay, let me go with your flow. So what you have prepared
No,
with
no, no.
this?
Tell me what flow, what exactly you are looking for.
Actually, can we look into that? Morning, you asked me to check with the data, right? How we
Hmm.
can use the existing one. Can we try it now?
Yeah, sure. Why not? You can in front of me. I don't see any challenge.
Yeah, 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 sure, sure.
I can share the name, but that is something confidential because of they are
No, no, no,
designing
no,
that
no, no.
on the public preview as well. And I'm the
Oh, okay.
person who is following strictly life cycle management of software engineering.
Oh,
That's why I can't.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Please,
Yep.
please, please. That is really.
No, no, no. I'm always following that. If you can share me something, I'll never expose with anyone. I'll take care.
Yeah, yeah. I get it.
Yep. Yeah. So you. Oh, why I have shared the screen? Okay, got it. For the data in Terraform, right? Yeah, this is the module. Okay, data source allow Terraform use information defined in the outside of the Terraform, defined by another separate Terraform configuration or modified function. It means let's understand this line only. Define the outside of Terraform. It means outside of Terraform code. Definitely, if you already created any resource that is manually or through the Terraform, and you wanted to refer that resource, suppose you created two resources, one VNet is manually and one it from the Terraform. Now both VNet you need to call in your configuration that is already exist in your portal. So definitely that is comes in out of Terraform, right? That is not the part of
Hmm.
inside of Terraform. When it is part of
Yes.
inside of Terraform, suppose you defining the new resource, then it's part of the Terraform, right? So that's why this line is mentioned or modified by function. So these capabilities are called a data source. Okay. So using data source, you can define the data like this way. So this is the AWS example, but they have mentioned AMI. Okay, images. Okay. So in this area also they have called data. Data means that is already available. Just call it out. Okay, and deploy it in our code.
Okay.
You get my point? So
Yes,
that is
got it.
available. Yeah. Data source argument. So each data source is associated with single data source which determine the kind of object. So definitely if we call data Azure RM virtual network, so definitely it will determine one object which is already deployed, right? And that we are
Okay.
using. Yeah. So that
Each
is data
data
source
source,
argument.
each data resource is associated with a single data source, which determines the
Yeah.
kind of, okay. Each data source is in turn belongs to a provider, which
Which
is a plugin
plugin
for
of
Terraform
Terraform
that
offer
offers a,
collections resource type data source most often belong to a single cloud or on-premises infrastructure platform. Any platform I can say. Okay. So data resource behavior they have mentioned over here. Local only data source, which may data source correspondent as you mentioned local, right? So this is the local data source. So that
oh,
we are going to discuss, I can say later. Okay, this part we need to discuss, but that is the next part. Once you start to use the data, then step by step I'll explain you, right? So I'm sharing this link with you in future. Would you like to check?
please let me know once you are able to see my screen.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
So this is, so if I close this, will it impact or will it impact our session or what happens?
Which one if you close?
This Go meeting.
No, it will definitely impact in our session.
Because this one is in the middle of the screen. It is really disturbing.
Where it is, where it is, I'm not able to see.
For you, are you able to see the full screen?
Yes, I'm able to see the full screen
For me,
without
in
any
the side,
disturbance.
okay, for me, in the side, there is a Go meeting tab is there.
No, 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 I'm not able to see anything, frankly speaking.
I have put it in the center of the screen. What you are able to see in the center of the screen for me?
Center is data disk is attached either directly on the
Also,
Azure Virtual Machine.
you are not seeing that, but this one, because I'm seeing it is causing issues for me. Okay,
Oh,
one second, one second.
yeah, take your time, no problem. Just 1 minute.
Super, super, got it. I have super.
Let's do one thing. Uh, you have your virtual machine code, right?
Yes.
Which you successfully deployed. Show me that code.
No, 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 no. I am going to create now because from morning I just created this one. Now I am going to start. That is what. In front of you, I will finish this up. This is what I am planning. Actually, this one will definitely work. Actually,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So from tomorrow we can only take one time, right? 7 to 8.
yeah, 7 to 8. Yeah,
Perfect.
I because I also can't afford 2 times because in the morning 9:30 I showed you right. My meeting starts by then.
Understand. No worries.
So can we look into this resource virtual machine? Okay, I will just, can I copy this, the entire stuff?
Yeah, sure.
Virtual network is there, so it is not going to
No, no,
cause
no, no,
any
no.
issue.
Yes, sir. Last time I have given you one virtual machine script. Copy that one, and open the data script
No,
which I have
actually
shown in morning.
you have data script is there. 1 minute.
Hmm.
Actually, this is the data script that I opened. Actually, you have not shared
Right,
me
right. I
anything.
need this. Yeah, I need this one only for the reference perspective to show you the as a reference only.
Okay, this.
Let me design this module in mind. Share the link,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then
I will, because compared to
hmm,
me, you will be quite fast. That is what
that is I'm saying.
this one. And also one thing is, I will share you this path as well. 1 second. My code also I will share you.
No need your code. Let me open the Azure VM code. VM. So VM we deployed right yesterday. Only VM.
No, no, we did not deploy the VM. No. So far,
You
we
haven't
have
deployed.
not even touched the VM. No.
Okay, no problem. I'll do in front of you.
Okay.
Just a 1 minute.
Yeah.
Let me check where it is. Where it is. Okay. Sure, RM.
Audition. Yes.
Perfect. No issues. So this is your code, right? Which you
Uh,
recently called out.
yes, 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 yes.
So step by step, I'll explain you how I'm
Yeah,
going to
please.
handle it. So let me copy this one. Okay. So this variable I'm going to remove and set up it as a hard code. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We will set up as a hard code. No issues.
For first time, then you can go ahead with variable as well. But for the testing perspective, I'm going to set up this. Let me change it into the Terraform. Okay, perfect. Now let me align the resource group name. Test, test, internal, SNAC.
Whatever you do, one thing we today we will check out this one, what Windows, and tomorrow we can check out Linux as well.
Yeah, no problem for that. Okay, I'm
Because
changing only
why?
on the variable. Okay, I'm defining the static value.
Okay.
That's it. Today we are checking for Ubuntu. Tomorrow we'll go ahead for the Windows.
No,
There
yeah,
is
sure, 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 fine, fine. And also one thing, after testing this, can we just check how we can put the SSH, enable SSH as well in this one?
SSH. Yeah, I can show you. SSH means this is already available. The name, password.
Actually, you have to log in using the username and password. This is not SSH enable, actually.
You are talking about the keybase.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, I'll show you that. No problem. But yeah, let's take it
First,
forward. Okay.
we will finish this and then we will
I
destroy
think
and we will take this.
yeah. Otherwise tomorrow we'll take that. Okay. Because of I don't think so today we'll get time. It will take some time to explain these details and all. So
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
tomorrow we'll plan for that. That is not challenging. Only the module I need to search out.
Yeah.
Let me create one new file, add the code, convert it into the Terraform. Okay. Now what he did, he calling the resource group as data. It means the resource group is already created. He calling
Yeah.
the subnet as a data. Okay. It means
Okay.
the vnet is already created, right?
Yes. Yes.
So what we are going to do first, we will create one resource group and only we will call the existing resource group first. Then again we'll
Yes,
delete and
yes,
call the vnet.
yes, yes.
Yeah. Let me go ahead with my portal. Okay. Let me create one resource group. The resource group name is just best best review and create. Okay, I've created one resource group. Let me go ahead. Let me open this. Yeah. Now this is my resource group module, right? This one, which is going to
Yes,
create new resource group, correct?
yes,
Right? Because of Azure RM resource group, I have mentioned the name and location. Definitely, it will create new resource group. So what I need to do, I just need to call the existing one. So what I'll do, I'll define as like this: data Azure RM resource group. It means whenever we've created new resource group, it will resource, right? Whenever we are calling the existing one, data. Get my point?
yes, yes.
Yeah. Now I'll remove this location. I don't need
Location
location
is not.
because of already it will capture test best, right? This is the
Okay.
name, correct? Now
Yeah.
definitely this resource group I have already referred into the subnet, vnet, nic, virtual machine. So I definitely need to change that, right? Because of it's
Yes.
calling Azure RM resource group. Okay, it will go
Yes.
ahead check out Azure RM resource group. Oh, this is not resource, this is the data. It will break. So what I need to do, I need to define the calling method as a data dot
Data.
Azure
Yeah.
RM.
Data dot. Yeah.
Okay, same for the every resource group area where we
Yes.
calling resource group.
Instead, if you are using variable, we will be using var dot. So here
Yeah.
we are passing data dot.
Yep. This location network interface location, again I need to add a data, so it will automatically take the location of resource group and it will deploy the
Yes.
VM.
Yes. Yes.
Okay,
1 minute.
again
Virtual network name. Apart from that, where we have this location, I'm just checking. Yeah. Another one is down there. Yeah. Location
data.
equal to data.
Okay, again here is data dot, that scroll down, nothing is remaining. Okay, now we can run our code. So let's save this first. Save as. Okay, data testing. Let's align the name data testing dot pf. Okay, I have saved the file. Let me go into that file. Music. Let's delete the other file. Okay, I've deleted other files. Now again, come over here. Go to the terminal. Okay, let's go with cd music terraform init. It will initialize all the details. Terraform plan. It will plan all the stuff. Okay, Azure RM resource group main dot location. Okay,
That
the
is
manage.
in the 8 line. Data dot.
Okay, so in
Data
this
dot.
area resource, yeah,
Above that.
here
Above that.
we haven't mentioned, right?
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
mention it, save it, and try it out again the empty insufficient feature block. Okay, so what happened, we haven't called our feature block, right? In the top, where is the feature block and provider? We haven't called this one. I'm talking, I'll give you the details.
Azure RM. That one, right?
This one, Azure RM
Provider.
provider is what happening, provider will automatically capture the packages and details, right?
Oh.
Definitely that is needed. Okay, you can check out that document I have provided, right? In that area, all
Yes.
the details are available. Now I'll save it again and then
So in this entire our Terraform sessions, the provider that we are concentrating is Azure ARA, correct?
yep, definitely. And every code we need to call that. Without that,
Oh,
code will not deploy. This error you will face. Insufficient feature block. This is the feature block. That is we are
oh,
adding as empty.
oh,
Make sense?
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
is that possible that I call only the required features instead of calling everything?
Yeah, yeah, definitely. You can call the required feature, but best practices is like everyone is defining the complete feature. Okay. So it's
Yes,
successfully planned, right? Are
yes,
you able to see my screen?
yes,
In the
yes.
resource
I
group,
am seeing that
automatically,
screen.
yeah, automatically taken test best
Yes,
resource group
yes.
name. So let's apply it. Terraform. I did apply. So it's going into the apply state. Approve, and it will go ahead. It started to creating the virtual network first.
Now we will have the same network, everything will be there. Now we will create a VM to the existing stuff, right?
Yeah, existing resource group. Now we'll
In
create
the
the VM.
second set. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, second sense
Let
is
that be.
existing
Second
VNet.
set.
Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Awesome.
You stay with your family or you are staying alone?
No, no, I'm with family.
You are with family. Okay.
Yeah.
So Bombay is how the life is. I don't know. I have not even come to Bombay once.
Sorry, I missed your words.
You are in Bombay, right? In which
Yeah.
place you are staying?
Yeah, in Bombay, Mumbai.
No, no. What is the place? Place.
Okay, Panvel.
What?
Panvel, Panvel.
Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah. Are you able to
So
see
now the
all these
resource is created.
resources are deployed? Let's see what is deployed
Yes.
now. Hmm, search it out. Test. Open it. These all resources are deployed, right? NIC.
My OS is one test make.
Okay. Now what I'll do? I'll delete this VM. Okay. Now I'm going to delete this VM, and I'll show you some more details like through the VNet, existing VNet, how we are calling this.
Yes. And use the same thing. We can attach the network card, everything.
Yeah, why not? Sure.
So how much years of experience you have, Omkar?
Totally fine.
Oh, super.
Yep,
See,
it's
you guys
deleted.
are yes, you guys are far better than us.
No, no, man. So
No,
yeah.
no, no, no. We are
Hmm.
getting old actually.
No, that will happen definitely when we are going to in older state. At that time, the
No,
new
no,
technologies will come.
the technology
Yeah,
wise,
yeah, yeah.
they
Yeah,
are getting.
definitely. At
I'm
our
14.
time also.
My experience is 14, 16 years.
Oh, that's great.
Still, I'm learning. Still, I'm learning.
No, no, IT is something like every time we are learning.
Yeah,
Everyone is learning.
when I started my career, it was Windows NT.
Oh,
Now it is Azure.
right, right, right. So yeah,
Now we
now
are
let's start.
we, now
Mhm.
we can try to attach the same disk, network, NIC, everything.
Yeah, 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 definitely, definitely.
What is that
Now,
network? Can you just show me that? One minute.
yes,
Can you go to the portal?
10.0.0.16. Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay, okay. Just the network. Okay.
Now let's try with the VNet, right?
Mm, yes.
So remove this.
We don't want this. We
Okay.
don't want the subnet as well. Subnet we
Subnet we
require, right?
needed, right?
Subnet also
For the
we don't
calling
require.
method required.
One minute. What you have deleted? You have deleted
VNet,
one thing,
VNet,
right?
VNet, VNet, VNet.
So for that also we require the data, right?
No, why? Because of whenever we call subnet, subnet is comes in a VNet, right? So it will be
Oh,
automatically take
okay, okay.
VNet.
So it will take. Okay.
Get my point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Otherwise, we can do that as well. I'll show you how. Okay. So let's assume that we'll call VNet as a data. This is also possible. Okay. So this is the VNet I have called as data. I'll remove this address space. Perfect.
Yeah.
I'll remove this location as well
Yes.
because of
Resource group
location
also
no
not
needed.
required.
Yeah, no
Resource
resource
group
group
name
is
also not
required.
required.
No, no, required, definitely required. It will refer this, right? So it will require.
Okay.
Yeah, now let's add it as a subnet as a data. Perfect. Now do one thing. Remove this resource group. Remove this address space. And for the VNet, called it as a data. Now,
Data dot. Yeah.
perfect. Now,
Yes. Interface also we
now,
have to name as data.
yeah, definitely data, right? After that, let's go over here.
No,
So this is
IP configuration do we require? Or
no, 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 no need to do anything over here. We just need to
yeah.
do data because of subnet is also already available. Now virtual machines,
So
location, data.
one
Mhm.
one minute, 1 minute. Can you just a bit slow down? Here, do we require location in network interface?
No, why? That is already deployed
It is already
in this area,
deployed. Okay, okay.
right? Yeah, we can remove
Yeah.
this.
That is what I'm asking. Resource group also do you require?
Yeah, this resource group, right? This is also we can remove. I don't see any challenge with this. If you can
Okay.
set up, that is also okay. You can remove, that is
Yeah,
also okay.
yeah. I think so. We will. Okay. And the IP configuration also, is it required?
Yeah, this is also not required. If you want, you can. Otherwise, remove this one as well.
Yes. That is what. That
Remove
is
it.
what.
Perfect, perfect. Now you are getting my points. Sounds good. Okay. Now network interface
Network.
ID, data. Perfect.
Okay.
Makes sense.
Yes. Yes.
Any doubt
Yes.
up to this?
No. No. No.
Awesome. Now you can remove this as well. Okay. This is also no needed.
Yeah.
This
Resource
one.
group is not required. Yeah.
Right. Okay. VNet is required because of subnet is an entity of VNet, right? And we called.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why it's required.
Yeah. Yeah.
After that, yeah, in virtual machine we need to define this definitely. After that, we have got this. Everything is good. Yep.
To watch our complete session, enroll for our premium membership. Click onto the join button and enroll yourself with the best suited option.
Let's try this now.
Disk,
Okay.
disk, disk also we can attach the existing disk, right?
Where is the disk? Yes, we can
Storage.
attach with them. Yeah. That method is little bit different compared to this. Okay.
Oh,
We
okay,
cannot
okay, okay.
attach.
I get it.
Yeah. That
I
is
get it. I get it.
comes in the inside in the sub part, right? So we can't do that
So first
directly.
we
For
will
that,
first we will finish this and then we can see later.
yeah, I'll tell you how we can do. Have some methodologies. Okay. For the
Yeah,
existing this, there is one another module that we can call. I'll tell you that. No worries. I'll explain you complete idea. But step by step,
super.
once you started the implementation, you will get full
No,
clarity.
Omkar, now I'm getting the complete hang of it. Now it is becoming interesting for me.
Right. Hey, what I deleted.
Seriously, with the kid, I am sitting for the class means it is purely interesting.
Agree. Terraform TF state. Okay. This TF state file I have deleted because of it will be throw error because of same code we have altering, right? So TF state file I deleted.
Okay.
Now let's go with the terminal. Do a control S. Now again go with
So,
cd
you finish this
music.
off. I will ask you that question.
Yeah, please go ahead now. You
Because
can.
if we, because we are keeping, is there any possibility that we can put this state file somewhere else on the
Yeah,
cloud or something?
yeah, definitely. At that time, we can save it into the storage account, blob storage.
Okay, 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 okay. Can't we
Okay,
store it in GitHub? Git,
that is
can't we
no. That
store it
will
in GitHub?
no. Will store in only on the storage account. That I'll cover in the module. When I
Oh,
start tomorrow module now, at that time you will get the complete clarity, crystal clarity of this code.
okay.
Let's go step by step because of this flow is important for me currently.
Yes, yes, yes. I am not disturbing you.
Yeah. Now we did init. Okay. Let's do Terraform plan. I did plan. Oh, this is the fail.
Okay,
Why?
1 minute. We can find out. Ninth line
Resource group name
is
is
required.
required.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. Then we will declare that. Okay, it is clearly saying. So there is
Yep.
no need for us to worry even.
Where we need to do VNet. Second is
Yes, VNet also.
network
Oh, 1 minute.
interface.
Network interface also. Resource group name is required. Okay.
Let's save this and try it again. Okay. Terraform plan.
So
Yeah.
once
Again,
we
it's throwing.
start, we get the
It's
again.
throwing one more error.
It is in
Where
line
resource.
14. Subnet you have declared, right? Azure subnet name, virtual network name. No. You have not declared the resource group. You have not declared that. Yes,
Right.
subnet.
Yeah. In this area also they are looking for the
Uh,
resource group. Okay.
so all the network components should have this one. So I'll keep that in mind.
And that clear. No need to keep in mind. Once error thrown, you need to do the
Yeah,
changes
yeah, yeah.
quickly.
We can. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Because of this is something once error is happen na, at that time you will get the clarity. Otherwise, no.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay. Now are you able to see only one resources plan, which is virtual machine?
yes.
Let's deploy it now. Terraform.
Apply.
All is well. Let's see. When I'm deploying this types of stuff, I'll really happy to do this.
Currently, in your project, you are working in Terraform or what, Omkar?
I started the Terraform at 2017-18 when Terraform was new comes in market, okay? And at that
Oh,
time I don't know what is exactly Terraform. one of my team
Oh,
lead is handed the fresh project to me, okay, and he said, hey Unkar, handle this. I was really irritated at that time. Hey, what is this you given me? I don't care, this is stupid thing, I don't want it to do. Because of at that time coding was really, I was really, I can say at 2017, I don't like coding at that time, frankly speaking. Okay.
okay.
But step by step, we started to understand what is going on, how it is deploying, why, what is the exactly error. This way, midnight I was come from the office at 2 p.m. at home, and at 2 p.m. I am thinking like, hey, if I
Hmm.
added something in that code in this area, it will resolve. Then again I'll wake up at that time. I'll check out, hey, where is my laptop? Again I'll start, hey, let's do this change. If that will work, I'm happy and sleep. And if no, then again I'm thinking, hey, shit, yeah, what I
That
can
is
do?
how
Again,
people
again check out. Yeah,
original error, auto reset Azure service returned an
yeah.
error.
You tell me this error. Why?
Yeah. My disk already exists. Yeah. That is what. That is what. We have to change the disk name. That's it.
Let's add the name. My OS this 2. Otherwise, you can. We have an option to change the name. Otherwise, you can. If you need same name, just go ahead and delete that disk.
Yeah. So yes, actually, I was planning on adding the same disk. I
No,
saw
I'll
it
tell you.
actually.
For that
Yeah,
also
there
we
is a
have model.
separate
I'll
resource
tell you.
module is there. Yeah,
Yeah.
I saw it.
Thing.
Hard disk to Omkar, today I will try this out, and tomorrow what we can discuss is I will put it in the chat. That will be easy, right?
Yeah, it means what you wanted to discuss tomorrow.
So tomorrow we will be as we spoke now, right? Tomorrow we will create a
Hmm.
Windows machine, and we will check out adding an existing disk and adding an additional disk. That's it.
Sure. Sounds good.
But I have a doubt. For example,
Hmm.
I deployed a Windows machine which has a C drive, and at later point of time I added a disk D drive. Correct?
Hmm. Hmm.
So will Terraform be able to attach the disk inside the OS, format it, and keep it as a new disk?
Sure, definitely. It will check out the TF state file. It will check, yes, this VM is deployed only on the OS disk and current changes is only on the data disk. So there is nothing to destroy. So it will automatically go ahead, attach the data disk.
No. And it will attach the data disk. That point I got it. But what happens is, will it format the disk? Will it be able? Will Terraform code
No, no,
will
no.
it?
No. That is not a configuration as a tool, right? It's infrastructure as a code. So no, that is
Oh,
not possible.
okay.
Yeah. So it's deployed successfully. Now you can follow the. I'm not going to share the code, frankly speaking. You can try it
Okay.
your own now, okay, and let me know
Okay.
what types of errors are coming.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. But
tomorrow we can discuss.
I will definitely try on my own. But just for reference, because
Hmm.
for the reference sake, I'm asking, can you share this file just for a reference base? Is it okay?
Okay, fine. I'll share you on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
because
After this call,
anyhow,
I'll share.
I have to sit and edit this the whole thing.
Yeah.
Can
Agree.
you please
No
share
worries.
both the files?
Yeah.
I will create.
No, I don't have a both file. I have this only. This file
Yeah.
this code you can copy from that Stack Overflow. That's it. You just need to reference perspective. That's it.
Okay. Because why I asked this was, oh my God, you're not sharing it. You just in front.
No.
I
That we
was
don't need.
asking.
We need only on the data settings, right? Which we did
Yeah.
recently the changes. Yeah. I'll share this. No worries.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.